In this video, I will explain the basis for the calculation of financial benefits in JunoViewer's deterioration model. Note that this method is only used for those models that employ a theoretical cost-benefit analysis. Some models in JunoViewer use a more heuristic approach in which benefits are not explicitly calculated. Let's start with first principles. The first principle on which our benefit calculation is based is that the condition of an asset influences the total cost of using the asset. Models exist for estimating the cost of use based on asset condition. For example, for road assets, maintenance cost and vehicle operating cost models have been established to estimate the cost of using a road, dependent on factors such as road condition, including rutting, roughness and distress indexes, vehicle volumes and fuel use characteristics, and crash risks. Note that you can define any of the existing vehicle operating cost and maintenance cost models in your JunoViewer DMS file. Contact Lonrix if you need any assistance with setting up maintenance or vehicle operating cost models in your DMS file. Let's take a schematic look at the principles in action, keeping in mind the most basic principle that the condition of an asset influences the total cost of using the asset. In this graph, we are showing a schematic road condition indicator, such as a road condition index, over a 10-year period, where 100 represents a road in a very good condition and 0 represents a road in very poor condition. As expected, you can see that this road's condition slowly deteriorates over time. Therefore, we can expect that the road use costs will increase over time. So here I've just indicated typical costs over time, and you can see from year 2022 onwards, the cost of using the road, in other words maintenance cost and vehicle operating cost, steadily increase over time. So if we do nothing to this road, the total cost of use over 10 years will be 55 units. That could be thousands or millions of dollars, for example. So that 54 is basically just the sum of all of these annualized costs for using the asset. Now let us consider a case where we do a treatment in 2025 costing us 30 units. So as you can see, my maintenance or road use cost have increased steadily as before right up to 2025 when I do a treatment which is costing me 30 units. And after that, because of the improved road condition, we assume there is going to be no road use and maintenance cost after that period because the road is now in an excellent condition. Doing the treatment improves the road condition, which lowers the cost of maintaining and using the road. So in this example, the total cost is now treatment cost equals 30 and cost of use and maintenance equals 15 units. Comparing this to the do-nothing case provides a basis for calculating the benefit of doing the treatment. Let's look at this in a tabular way. Here I have tabulated the annualized cost for doing nothing, and you can see it steadily increases over time because of the deteriorating road condition, versus the case of doing treatment A in 2025. And in this case, my road use and maintenance cost significantly drops off after 2025 when the treatment was done. So if I look at the total cost of doing nothing over this 10-year period, I get 54 cost units versus treatment A, which is only going to cost me 15 units. So the benefit of treatment in this case is 39 units. So again, if I do nothing, the estimated cost of road use is 54 units. If I do the treatment, the cost of road use will be 15 units. Thus, the benefit of doing the treatment is 54 minus 15 equals 39 units. Now that we have a way to quantify the benefit, we can use cost-benefit analysis methods to compare different treatment options. Benefit in this case was 39 units as shown before, and the cost of treatment 30 units. So now we can calculate the cost-benefit analysis indicators such as the net present value, which in JunoViewer we define as the benefit minus the cost equals 9 units. Or we can use the benefit cost ratio, which is basically the benefit and divided by the cost calculated earlier. That is 39 divided by 30 equals a benefit cost ratio of 1.3. Now that we have defined a way to calculate benefits and also cost-benefit indicators, we can start looking in more detail at how JunoViewer uses this information to select optimal treatments on modeling segments. We will look at the various approaches and also their advantages and disadvantages in other videos in this series. If you would like to learn more about JunoViewer's powerful modeling framework, or if you would like to receive notification emails for new videos such as this one, then email us today at info@lonrix.com. Thanks for watching.